Good morning, good afternoon, and hello to you lovely people. You guys are here watching My Crazy Big Black Family right here on YouTube. Woo! Sorry, where all the craziness comes to you all cool, calm, and collective. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet, y'all. We about to get it started. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that post notification so you know when we drop a video. Love you guys. Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to My Crazy Big Black Family. Yes, on YouTube. And if you're new on this video, happy Sunday morning, guys. It's early Sunday morning. Welcome to our channel, guys. So this video today, it's a late nighter for those who be up at night. So call this an insomniac video. Call this a can't sleep video. But guys, yeah, this video is for the folk that don't sleep. Welcome to our channel, guys. Welcome to the all-nighter, all-dayer, whatever you want to call it. So today's video, guys, is about what I had spoke about on my previous vlog, guys. Pardon the background. I'm in and out, but I'm moving around. So today we're going to be showing you what we got going on up here up north, Massachusetts style. So I did a vlog. And I had told everybody that we had an impending storm coming, guys. So, welcome to my world. Look at that, guys. Do you see this? If you're new on this video and you're new on this channel, guys, please go get subscribed. So, up here up north, this is our first snowstorm of the season, as you see. All the trees are covered. We got about, I'm looking at about, I would say 2 to 3 inches right now on the ground. Yeah, about a good 2 to 3 inches. Still coming down pretty heavy. And we're supposed to snow all day today and all the way up until 1 a.m. Monday morning. Wherever you are, or if you're impending snow or you're got impending bad weather, please stay safe, be well, guys, because this right here, who want to go through this? Now, I did a video because it is beautiful, not going to lie, to record. It's beautiful to be out in. It's good and beautiful to take a picture, but, oh, look at it, guys. All you see is white, white, white. Let me go this way. See that? Nothing but snow from here all the way down, guys. And like I promised you, I'm bringing you an up-close personal video of the snow that we was expecting. Now, it's still coming down. Don't know how much we're going to get, but they said expect 9 to 15 inches. And I'm thinking it's about, like I said, right now, at least, yeah, like 2 to 3 inches. And then with the shovel from the plows, probably like 4 inches on the, or 4 to 5 inches from the plow on the sidewalks. But yeah, guys, that's what we got going on today. And I hope that you guys don't have to be facing this kind of weather today, because who wants to start off their week? The week is going to be like this. Hopefully not. Hopefully this will, you know, rain, but apparently not. We're expecting to have cold freeze over weather, which means all this will turn into ice and it will be slippery. So if you're facing these kind of weather conditions, or if you have to go out in this kind of weather, please be safe. I don't want to cover up my microphone because I did last time and I just did again, and I don't want to yell too loud because it is about 4 a.m. in the morning, maybe a little bit before 4. And the fam is all sleeping. And my husband has work back today because he was sick for a couple of days. So he's saying he's feeling better, so he's going to go back to work today. Thank you. Me, I'm trying to keep warm today because it's ridiculously cold on top of the snow. So I'm going to try my best and keep it warm, because that's what I need to do. That will work. But guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more of our weather report, weather conditions, and crazy weather up northeast where we're from. Shout out to Massachusetts. If you don't like the weather, blink your eye, blink, close your eyes, turn your head, and it's going to change. Because we're supposed to get cold weather minus the snow for the upcoming week. But today, it's all snow. More of the same will be all day today. I will be back with another vlog for you guys, though, to let you guys know what the conditions are later in the day, or let you guys see us trying to shovel out with these conditions, because living in the cold climates, you have to be used to the shovel out, the salt, all that. We're used to that, so we usually do that, a couple of us, but who knows, maybe we may go out and play in the snow today. Stay tuned today, guys, for more videos from My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. Please don't forget, get subscribed. Happy Sunday, excuse me. I don't want to jump the gun. Happy Sunday. Welcome to my channel.